My name is Charlie Bradford. I was with the Flow Shala here at the studio for about 4 months before COVID-19 happened, and what motivated me to stay was my whole intention in the beginning was for self-care, and I knew that it would be vital with all the changes and instability, everything that was going on in the world, for my own mental health, and also by then I was completely hooked. I felt a sense of community with the virtual studio, being able to chat with everybody before and after classes, coaches answering questions and staying after all of the online materials and resources that we have. It's all been available if you're willing to put in the work. Having a good mindset through this and taking a meditation course from Summer, as well as having practiced a lot of mindfulness and meditation on my own, has really helped me maintain my focus and my motivation to continue through the virtual classes with all of this. I think the attitude is everything, and it made the difference for me. Training from home has been empowering for me in that I had a lot of obstacles to overcome. I worked hard to achieve my goals, and I don't want anything to stop me. I was able to attain a flow state several times at home through the virtual studio, and I think a lot of that was due to just continued classes and my own skill improving as my mobility, as my flexibility, as my own strength improved, and it just came naturally in time. Maintaining all of this through Flow Shala virtually, finding the flow state, improving myself, I see all of these aspects in line going to this point at the end of the horizon, which is self-mastery. And the more I work on myself, the more that I learn and grow, the stronger I become, and the more the state of the world, when it's, metaphorically in flames all around me, it just doesn't scare me as much. The more I know who I am and what I want, and I keep working toward that.